Later, she meets Wendy and her little helpers. She proceeds to hand Wendy this month's salary, 2 golden royals. Later, she gives a single coin to Knight Carter, who, in turn, delivers it to Anna's father. The reason Carter is delivering the money is because Anna refuses to meet him. She knows exactly how he'll act, just as he always did. And if she sees him now, it will only create more trouble for Roland. She doesn't want to add to his burdens. Knight Carter later reports back to her after completing the task, and Anna expresses her gratitude. She also instructs him not to tell Roland about this. Later, we see Sister Molly and Honey exploring Border Town together. They are absolutely fascinated by how much